I didn't even get alerted. I just saw that one pop up. The polygon. I love the alert volume on that one.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, southern Dekalb County in north central Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois until 10:15 p.m.
Of course, Kane County somehow included.
p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Shibona, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts
Should let
and
the dog out
quarter-size
again,
hail.
too.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Oswego, Batavia, Geneva, York Hill, Plano, Shibona, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Boulder Hill, Elburn, Hinkley, Waterman, Big Rock, Caneville, Bristol, and Little Rock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe.